First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create an AI movie trailer, start by choosing the movie concept you want to promote. Decide on the genre, main character, setting, conflict, mood, and overall cinematic style. Now plan the trailer as a series of short, powerful scenes. Start with an establishing shot that introduces the world of the story. Then create scenes that introduce the main character, show an important event, build tension, and finally end with a dramatic moment that makes viewers curious about the full story. For each scene, write a detailed prompt. Describe the character's environment, action, camera movement, lighting, atmosphere, and visual style. For example, you could describe a lone astronaut standing on an abandoned planet while a massive storm approaches in the distance, with dramatic cinematic lighting, atmospheric dust. A slow camera push-in, realistic details, and an epic science fiction movie aesthetic. Generate each scene separately and review the results carefully. Pay attention to character consistency, environment, camera movement, and visual continuity. If the same character appears in multiple scenes, keep their appearance, clothing, and important visual details consistent. Use different camera movements to make the trailer feel dynamic. You can combine wide establishing shots, close-ups, tracking shots, dramatic push-ins, and aerial views depending on the story. After generating the clips, place them in a video editor in the correct order. Add cinematic music, sound effects, narration, title cards,